Welcome, dear students. In this lecture 3 of Sampling Techniques and Design of Experiments, Unit 1, we are going to discuss the concepts census versus sample surveys, advantages of sampling over census, limitations of sampling. First, let us look into census, its merits and limitations. Census is a method of enumerating each and every unit of the population. Whereas in sampling, we inquire about only a selected number of units. That is, a fraction of population is studied in sampling. Whereas in census, we study each and every unit of the population. The census method attempts to provide more accurate and exact information compared to sampling. Moreover, in census, an extensive study is made about the units. The best example is the decimal census conducted by Government of India. You are all know that in India, census is conducted every 10 years. In census, the information about large number of items is collected along with the population figures. For example, data relating to name, sex, date of birth, marital status, education, occupation, income, place of birth, nationality, present and permanent address, name of the father, mother, wife or husband, etc. are obtained. Census method is a best method, but it has in his own limitations. The limitations are it requires a large amount of money and manpower. Therefore, this method can be used only by the governments or big organizations who have vast resources at their disposal. Moreover, census method is time consuming because it requires enumeration of all the units in the population. If the population is large, then processing and analysis of huge data takes more time. Therefore, by the time of results are published, they may become out of date. Such outdated data may not be of much use. On the other hand, sampling has a number of advantages over census. A properly designed and carefully executed sample survey gives fairly good results. Sometimes these results will be better than those of a census. The advantages of census over the advantages of sampling over census are it takes less time, speed of inquiry. In sampling, only a part of the population is studied. Therefore, there is considerable amount of saving in time and labor. Saving in time is not only in conducting the sample survey but also in processing and analyzing the data. Hence, it is possible to publish the results of a sample survey quickly. Next advantage is economy. It reduced cost. The sample survey is more economical than census. In a sample survey, there is reduction of cost of collection of data, administration, transport, training, and man hours. Even though per unit expenses are large in a sample survey, the overall expenses, that is total cost of the sample survey, are relatively much less. This is because only a fraction of the population is enumerated in this method. It is of great use in conducting socio-economic surveys in developing countries who cannot afford census because of lack of finances. The cost of a properly designed and executed sample survey will be only one-fifth of the cost of a census, that is complete enumeration. Administrative convenience is one of the advantages of sampling. A census requires huge administrative setup. This involves lot of personnel and coordination between various operating agencies. On the other hand, organization and administration of a sample survey is relatively more convenient. It requires less personnel and the area of inquiry is the limited. The fourth advantage is reliability of the results. In a sample survey, we can always determine the amount of the sampling error. Also, the non-sampling error due to a number of fractions such as training of field workers, measuring of recording of observations, location of units, incomplete returns, investigators bias, etc. are less serious in a sample survey than in census. In a sample survey, these errors can be controlled by effectively employing more qualified and better trained personnel, better supervision and better equipment for processing the analysis of relatively limited data. Next advantage is greater scope. A sample survey saves time and money. Therefore, it is possible to have a thorough and intensive inquiry. Also, more detailed information can be obtained from a small group of respondents. More and more number of items can be included in the survey. It can be used as a check over census. Further, it can be repeated to improve the results. Hence, the scope of the sample survey is greater as compared to census. A must situation or sampling is compulsory. There are certain situations where we have no alternative except to use sampling. For example, enumeration of trees in a large forest or consumer preferences in a vast country like India. Next is quality check. If testing the quality of a product is destructive, then census is impracticable. Therefore, sampling is the only method to be used in such cases. For example, testing of quality of milk or a chemical, breaking strength of steel rods, bricks, etc. produced in a factory, crackers and explosives, lifetime of electrical bulbs or TV picture tubes, human blood, etc. Professor R.A. Fisher summed up the advantages of sampling over census in the following four words in his report to UNO, that is United Nations Organizations, on sample surveys: adaptability, speed, economy, and scientific approach. Okay, let us look into the limitations of sampling. The sample survey has certain limitations or drawbacks. They are: If proper care is not taken in the planning and execution of the survey, the results obtained may be inaccurate and misleading. Sample surveys require the services of trained and qualified personnel. They also require sophisticated equipment for analyzing the data. In the absence of these, the results will not be truthworthy. Next is, if information is required about each and every unit of the population, then we cannot use sample survey. We need to necessarily use census. If there are no restrictions on time and money, and if the population is not very large, then census may be better than sampling. Okay, with this, I conclude the lecture. Thank you.